Santora, say hi. Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing absolutely great. So today I'm back with another video, and today's video is going to be about a drone workshop, that is Liftoff, which was conducted by KIIT Robotics Society. So basically Liftoff is a 4-day long workshop in which we will be learning about drones, and by the end of the workshop we will be making a drone.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
This event was conducted by KIIT Robotics Society in collaboration with Space Chase.
I would like to tell you a little bit more about us. So, this is our team. Like I mentioned, basically we're a Bangalore-based startup. So, as you know, startups work where when you can see a requirement in the market in your 4-hour session in the
Day
morning.
one of the workshop was basically a theoretical one in which we learned more about drones.
And you'd also be divided into batches, so that will be taken care of. It consumes the full power of the battery in about 2 minutes. About 200 kgs I want my drone to be able to carry. Right. So why I'm teaching you all to another technical term, it's something called as degrees of freedom.
If it's a propeller in my hand, the first one, this one is the tri-propeller. Yeah, the propeller has 3 blades in it. So all the tri-propellers are used in the smaller size drone.
It's even better than
Yeah, throttle for sending all the signals for easy there. But it is simple, you wouldn't have that danger where all the burnout factor is used. This is also another field where
Mamba F4. So even that is used in the FPV drones. And there's one more called Pixar.
So guys, how many of you are interested about making drones now? Like right now? Whoa. Nice, man. That's a lot of
But if you're going on a race or something, suppose it's a night race, मतलब रात को racing हो रहा है, so you will need LEDs compulsory because तुम्हारे सामने जो drone है या the person flying behind you, he won't be able to spot your drone. So the LEDs make it visible. Now that's one use of LEDs. Or if you're flying this drone line of sight मतलब I'm just seeing the drone मेरे आँख से directly and I'm flying it, fine. So how do I understand कि कौन सा front है, कौन सा back है? So सामने के LEDs I can configure them as red and पीछे के LEDs I can configure them as yellow. So when the drone is far, I can understand हाँ कि मेरा drone सामने face कर रहा है कि पीछे face कर रहा है. Fine, this is a common issue that happens. So LEDs can come in handy then.
Which one is like better, plus one or the X shape? Why is it?
have a look about how he flies the drone.
So we watched some sample drone footages, and that's how we ended our day one. Tomorrow we are going to learn about making a drone, and also we will be learning how to fly a drone. So that's going to be an interesting one. So stay tuned for that. So on day 2 we are basically going to learn how to assemble a drone, and also we are going to learn the flying simulation.
Black wire. Red is positive, black is negative. This is a little, what do you say? This is a little delicate. There are always chances where one of it falls off. Yeah, it's just more better to do it this way. Okay, I'll just quickly do this. Again, so you see these screws here, right? Basically the thing is, most of these drones, you need to, you guys can hear me, right? Most of these drones, okay, you buy all the parts in one set. I'll tell you why. Because these screws, right, these are very particular screws. There is no way you will search, you will get this. If you don't buy that. Okay, now I will. Okay, now I will confidently flip this. Okay. Okay. So that's when you find out the proper tracking level. That is done in calibration. Anyways, so we'll come back to this. I want you guys to quickly just connect the motors to the ACs. Just connect it. Anybody else knows? Yeah. So this was F4. Okay. F7 is not only there in the market, but it's also quite. So for this drone, this is housed here. Okay. Now, before connecting this top, basically, you would attach this also to this. Okay. How? Now I'll tell you one thing. Okay. Yesterday, if you remember, so for example, if the battery is dying, okay. So my colleague Sankar discussed about a system where it would alert you that it's coming below 20% and it will die. How was it called? You guys remember? There was a word.
Safety.
Feel safe. Okay. So, can you guys guess what this is here? Yeah, this is a Velcro strap for the. Yeah. Right. So these here are your zip tags. If anybody doesn't know, you would have remembered this from the malls. They would lock your bag, right? So these are the zip tags. So these are the zip tags. This is the Velcro. So this is very important. Every time. So other than that's why. See here, you can't have all that Velcro system. This is very unreliable for flying. So we usually don't go for this. So here you attach the battery. Here you Velcro strap it. Okay. So this is all the screws. Right, you get them with this side because the winding with the screw and the thing, that is all very accurate. You cannot externally buy or do any of this, right? Right. So then you have this here, okay, where okay, basically what this does is, you can tighten this here, tighten it like this. If you want, you could attach the rest of the propellers to the motors. Yeah. Yeah, so you need to loosen that. Don't remove it. And then tighten that. Hold this. Tighten. One of them is loose. No, this one is faulty. Right? Okay, so you've now attached the propellers. So what is left now? Can you categorize this as pitch forward or pitch backward? Because you have it. Yeah? Can you guys see this arrow? Okay? So inboard, okay. and this is arm number 2. So you'd connect it to port number 2. Simple, okay? So you guys need to make sure that that criteria is satisfied. I'll just quickly do this. Okay, this is my receiver. Okay, this is your receiver antenna and this is my receiver. Okay, how does the...
Next we did the drone flying simulation, and for this we were given the software as well in advance. We were also given a controller there, and using that we were virtually flying a drone.
Left side there will be like 3. Left side there will be 3 options. Click on calibrate. And then click on start calibration.
Going up. Now if you want to move forward, yeah. Now if you want to move backward, pitching backward. And if you want to roll left, you know the movements now. Now you can try the simulation.
We also have a feedback form along with all these details that they would be mailing you. So we would like to have a lot of your own ideas, and we enjoyed that. Right? The whole purpose of this is to intrigue you. Right? Workshops like this is to intrigue you, is to question your creativity, how far it could go, how this works, so that you can apply all this knowledge on your today.
How was it? Great, right? Was it great? Yes! Cool, guys.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off! We have a liftoff.
Three, two, one. KIIT! And I want to teachers of spaces, guys, please. Spaces! Are we going to be back on 3rd and 4th to complete this? Are we going to be? Yes! Are we going to be back? Yes! Can't hear you guys, man. Are we going to be back? Yes!
And with this we come to an end of the 2 days of the workshop. Stay tuned to see the next 2 days of the workshop, and I'll meet you guys in a brand new video. Till then, take care and goodbye.